This is in the shed. Yes, hello. But in this corner, from this post to that post, put some timber, walls, cap it, and build a mezzanine deck up the top to make it very sturdy. And then, that's what I reckon. Keep that as is. Need one more table down here, and there's some decent table action. I'll just all sort it out, but yeah, that's what I reckon. Because see in the floor there, that's a floor vent. That's a floor drain that goes out. There's another one up there. So that could be utilised for the shower. So you probably just walk in around here, and that would be the, maybe have a walk in this way and have the bathroom there, I suppose, or anyway, something or other. But I reckon instead of, yeah, that might be a good option. Insulation on the walls, all through, actually probably not internal, actually, anyway, decide later, but so yeah, it's 4.5 metres from there to here. And I'd move that light. So I reckon that's pretty cool. So 4.5 metres by 5 metres. So 5 is 25 square metres is a little granny flat area. Possibly. Possibly. I don't see any problem. Anyway. Let's say goodbye with these. Oh, you want to kiss the camera? Good on you, Tilly. You're a good girl, aren't you? Oh, what is it? Cookie, you want to say bye-bye? You're too busy, hungry, getting into that. I don't blame you. It's freezing outside. Been ripping in for a while. Look at the coat. It's all like goes a little bit frilly with a little bit of water. And you pause. Oh, I'll let you go. Gosh, they're fun. Oh, up, you reckon? That's what you were doing on the bench the other day. Look at the span. You're very nimble, aren't you? All right. Always interesting. Always interesting, something going on. Bye-bye.